Someone sent me a DM last week. They said, Njeri, I just lost 1.2 million Kenya shillings. I bought land and now the real owner has just shown up at the gates. That is not a movie. That is happening to real Kenyans every single week. And the real truth, it was 100% avoidable. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to know if a land in Kenya is genuine before you hand over a single shilling. These are the 5 documents you must check. Miss even one and you are gambling with your money. So, stay with me. Before I get into it, I'm Njeri, founder of Veewave Enterprises. We help Kenyans, especially those who are in the diaspora, build and invest back home safely. And this video, this is me protecting you. Let's go. Number 1, the title deed. This is the most important document in any land transaction. It is the legal proof that someone owns that land. Now, here is what most people do. They look at it, it looks nice. It has a stamp. They say, sawa. Big mistake. A title deed must have the owner's name, the parcel number, the land size, the date of issue, and an official seal from the Ministry of Lands. New title deeds issued after 2012 also have a QR code and watermark. If any one of those are missing, stop and do not proceed. Number 2, the official land search done on Ardhisasa. Ardhisasa is Kenya's government land registry platform. Go to ardhisasa.lands.go.ke. Create an account using your national ID and KRA PIN. Enter the parcel number from the title deed. Pay 1,000 Kenya shillings via M-Pesa. The registered owner must approve the search, and if they refuse, that is your answer. Run. Once approved, you get a certificate showing the real owner, and most importantly, any loans, disputes, or court cases registered against that land. And here is the thing. You can do this search from the UK, from the US, from the Canada, anywhere in the world. Diaspora, this is for you. Number 3, the survey map, also called a deed plan or mutation form. This tells you exactly where the land sits on the ground, the boundaries, and the measurements. You need a licensed surveyor to go to that piece of land and confirm it matches what is on paper. I have seen situations where someone bought land and the seller pointed the wrong plot entirely. The real plot is a swamp or someone else's compound. Don't just look at the map, confirm it physically. Number 4, land rates clearance certificates. This one, people forget completely. Land rates are annual charges paid to the county government. If the landowner has not been paying them, those arrears do not disappear when you buy. They become your debts. Before you buy, ask for a land rates clearance certificate from the county. It proves the seller owes nothing. If they cannot produce it, negotiate or walk away. Number 5, consent from land control board, especially for agricultural land. If the land is classified as agricultural, the sale must be approved by the land control board in that area. Without this consent, the transaction is null and void. You will own nothing legally. This is the one most buyers and even some lawyers overlook. Do not keep it. So, let me summarize. Before you pay for any land in Kenya, you must have the following. 1, the title deed checked physically. 2, an Ardhisasa land search done by you. 3, a survey map confirmed on the ground. 4, land rates clearance certificates. And finally, number 5, land control board consent for agricultural land. All 5, not 3, not 4, all 5. Now, the reason I can tell you this with confidence is because this is exactly what we do at Veewave Enterprises for every single plot we sell. Our Kalimoni Juja plots, they have title verified, Ardhisasa searched, survey confirmed, rates cleared, all 5 boxes ticked. If you want to see the plots, contact us today. We plan a site visit. If this video helped you, share it, send it to someone who is about to buy land. You might save them 1,000,000 shillings. I'm Njeri from Veewave Enterprises, helping you navigate Kenya's real estate market with clarity, confidence, and the right connections. See you in the next one.